Hello everyone, it's Brett here, Lionheart84, and we've got pleasure of an unexpected fruit unboxing today. Well, not unexpected to me because I'd ordered the plants, but I wasn't sort of thinking I was going to be getting any more plants this year, but something cropped up. I was doing a little bit of research on passion fruits or passion flowers, sort of relating to my maypop, which is Passiflora incarnata, and I stumbled across another passion flower called Passiflora Actinia, I think it is, which I think is also known as the anemone flowered passion fruit, and which, according to the research, produces fruits that have a reasonably pleasant edible pulp, but more importantly it's supposed to be hardy over here in the UK, claiming hardiness down to -4 or -5 centigrade, which is borderline, but if you can keep the roots fairly dry then there's a chance it would survive. Now, as far as I know, it's an evergreen. It's not like the incarnata, which dies down below the ground. This one actually is sort of stays semi-evergreen, and the flowers look very similar to incarnata actually. So I did a bit of research, and I finally, after a lot of searching, managed to find a plant over here, which is what I've got here today. So let's turn the video around a little bit. You can see it's quite a decent sized box. I've opened up the box already to let the plant breathe. So let's pop it open and have a look and see what we've got. Let me see if I can hold that up for you. You can see it's quite a decent sized plant. Let's see if we can pull it out of the box. This has, interesting, this has got very nice sized plant. I think it's about a 2 litre pot, I would guess. Roots coming out the bottom. Now I'm going to plant this in the ground against the same fence that I've put my new maypop, because I think the fence might suit it. It's like west facing, so it should get some sunshine, but not obviously full sunshine all day. That's when we get sunshine. Nice, well established plant. Now, interesting, the leaves are not like any passion flowers that I've grown before, or at least not the ones that I've managed to keep alive for any long period of time. This has single lobed leaves instead of the tri-lobe or 5-lobe leaves. My amethyst has 3-lobed leaves, and I think Caerulea has 5-lobed leaves, and I can't remember on the maypop if it's got 3 or 5 lobed leaves, but this one has single lobed. Looks very, very nice. And obviously I might get this in the ground today, but I thought I'd do a short video on it, as it's particularly interesting. There you have a look at the label. I think you better read that. It says minimum temperature 2 degrees centigrade on here, which is it's certainly not going to get. But I've read other reports that suggest -5 or possibly even colder in short spells is a possibility, but it's still surviving. Obviously our long cold wet winters could be a serious problem, but basically we'll get it planted, see what happens. I don't know if we'll see any flowers this year, but I'm thinking if it stays alive and I can keep my maypop alive, that they might well cross-pollinate each other. So that's Passiflora Actinia, for anyone who wants to Google it. Just thought you'd be interested to see that plant. Add to my collection, and I'll probably do a short film on it once it's in ground. So thanks for watching the video, much appreciate it. Let's give me a thumbs up. Obviously share the video if you think anybody might be interested in this rare passion fruit in this country. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and remember to click on the bell if anything I'm doing or growing interests you. Then you'll know when the new videos come out. I'll catch up with you all soon. Brett out for now.